What is a slider? Usually we have a track, as you can see here, or a couple of rails, and a carriage that runs smoothly on this track. And well, that's all. Was just grabbing the camera, nothing else. You can place the camera on top of the mount and then you're ready to go. I usually work as a one-man team on video projects, and the biggest benefit for me in using a slider is the possibility to film myself with dynamic movements of camera. What I have to do is just to point the camera, activate the motor to make the slider move, and then I literally run into the shot. If you want to travel even lighter, then you can place a smaller mount on the carriage and use a smartphone, for example.